Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of House of Bugz. Today I'll be transforming myself into Miss Spider from James and the Giant Peach. This movie was not directed by Tim Burton, but it was produced by him. There is a little cameo of Jack Skellington in the movie, so I still count this as a Tim Burton film. But anyway, if you want to see me spookify into Miss Spider, then just keep on watching. So much like every other House of Bugz tutorial, I'll be starting off with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade White, and I'll just be applying this all over to my face right now, and I'll get to my neck and my shoulders later. So we're going to start off with eyes, and I'll be taking Luminess Cosmetics Forever Rain Lip Stains in the shade Tame as a base for my eyeshadow. Honestly, you could probably skip this step altogether. I was looking to create a more muted purple out of this, but I ended up using another shadow that did the trick afterwards. Now I'll be going in with my Creepy Cute palette by Strobe Cosmetics, per usual once again. To set the liquid lipstick, I'll be applying this in my crease and on my lid. But like I mentioned earlier, I wanted this to be a more muted gray toned lavender, not just a pure pastel lavender. So I'm going to be adding this shade from the Lunatic Cosmetics Labs Pro Contour Palette. This is volume 1. I'm not sure the name of the shade, but it's just the third one down in the first row. And then I'll be taking the Creepy Cute palette again for the shade Void and just doing my eyebrows with this very quickly. Next, for Miss Spider's Epic Liner, we're going to be taking Kat Von D Beauty's Dagger Eyeliner. This is my first time trying it. Probably not the smartest idea to base your entire look off eyeliner and try a brand new one for it, but it ended up working out, so that's just fine. I'll be taking the Dagger Liner and creating a standard giant wing. And then I'll be flicking it into the inner corner and taking it really low into the lower lash line. And then if you mess up, just clean it up with a little bit of your foundation and a small concealer brush. Next, I'll be taking Milk Makeup's Long Wear Gel Liner in the shade Boss. It's just this black shade, and I'll be applying that to my waterline. And to top off the eyes, I'll be applying Midnight Luxe by House of Lashes. This is their newest and thickest pair of lashes to date. Next up, I'll be applying black lipstick with a very thin lip brush because I want to create the Joker lip look. So I'll be using the lip brush to exaggerate the upper lip and create the Joker mouth. And if you mess up, you can just take that small concealer brush once again and clean up the lines a bit. Next up, I'll be dipping into the Lunatic Cosmetics Lab Pro Contour Kit once again and taking the exact same shade that I used earlier for my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. Off camera, I just applied that LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation to my neck and my shoulders and put on a wig from Annabelle's Wigs. I cut the bangs myself, and I know it's a botched job. Do not drag me. I also got these props off of Amazon, and I will link my Amazon store down below along with everything else that I used for this tutorial so you can recreate this costume if you want. Don't forget, if you do, to tag me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave my socials in the description as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Thanks again so much for watching, and hopefully you'll tune in again for another episode of House of Bugz coming soon.